Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What another fantastic day on the portfolio. Look at this. Now we're up to $68,200. Absolutely fantastic. Can you believe the growth? It's incredible. Everything's being overbought. Everything's gone absolutely bonkers. But I'm just holding and enjoying it. Massing the cash, working hard, holding it all there. Absolutely incredible. Cannot believe it. What an amazing day. Now, of course, we've got Coinbase coming up this afternoon as well. We've got the Coinbase earnings, and we've got to get straight into a review right now as well. What an amazing, amazing run we're having. Polu, perhaps. You've got a guest just turned up here for the very first time. How are you? Where are you from in the world? Welcome to my show. Welcome to the family as a guest of our show. We go live up to 10 hours a day. Lovely to have you here. I'm actually the World Piano Man. Here is my music channel in the chat. Go and check that out as well. It's lovely to have you here. Fantastic. All right, now I think we've got some people to upgrade in Discord. We've got another review to do. We've got questions to answer. It's been a great day. Very, very exciting day. Loving it. All right, let's see who we got. Poland, fantastic. Do we have a member from Poland? We've got members in 58 countries. Let's have a look. Have we got Poland on the list? Let me fly the flags. These are all the countries that we have members in. Let me have a read. Do we? Yes, we do. We have a member from Poland. If you look down here at Polu, you'll see your flag come by in a second. Is it your native language, Polish? Let me try and speak to you in Polish. Oh, how cool is that? I've been to Poland. Oh, Levin Hop. Levin Hop's just become a new member.
Levin Hop has become a member.
Hey, Levin Hop, welcome to you. Where are you from? Welcome to you. Let's just talk Polish a second. It's Polu. So here we go. Welcome, Polu. Welcome to the show. Lovely to have you here and all fellow friends and guests in Poland. I have visited Krakow in Poland. It's a lovely country. Wonderful people. And thank you very much for being here. We aim to be the most honest, real live channel online. We see ourselves as a TV channel. Everyone has a voice. Everyone's important. Everyone gets answered. We make money. We learn. We share. We support each other. And we also have concerts every Friday night on my music channel. Check out the link in the chat. Welcome to the show. Okay, now then, let me edit that. It was Polu, P-O-U-L. And here we go in Polish. Are you ready, folks? Here it comes.
Witaj Polu, witaj w programie. Bardzo mi miło, że tu jesteś, a także wszystkich przyjaciół i gości w Polsce. Odwiedziłem Kraków w Polsce, aby poznać cudowny kraj. Wspaniałych ludzi i bardzo dziękuję za bycie tutaj. Naszym celem jest być najbardziej uczciwym kanałem online poświęconym prawdziwemu życiu. Postrzegamy siebie jako kanał telewizyjny. Każdy ma głos, każdy jest ważny, każdy otrzymuje odpowiedź. Zarabiamy pieniądze, uczymy się, dzielimy się, wspieramy się nawzajem. A także mamy koncerty w każdy piątkowy wieczór na moim kanale muzycznym. Sprawdź link na czacie. Witaj w programie.
There you go. Greatest honor. We have members in 58 countries. 98% are members. Incredible. I've given you all the links there for all the things you might like to do with the show. Okay? All right then, let's carry on. Oh, no, wonderful. I love that.
Witaj w programie.
I love that. I love the fact we got a guest from Poland today. 58 countries from around the world. Absolutely great. Levin Lop, Would everybody please welcome Levin Lop to the show? Polo said, this is not my first time. I've been watching you regularly for a month. Well, I've not seen you in the chat before. That's why I'm welcoming you here. Lovely. Right. Who was it this morning who said I can't make $300 or $400 a day every single day from the S&P? Who was it who said that this morning? And I proved you can, and we have gone and done it again today. So there you go. Virgin Galactic is down today. Palantir is up. Super chat. Ian Letzeberg. What is that language? What language is that? Let me translate that. What language is that? Someone from Luxembourg. Are you from Luxembourg? Luxembourgish. Hey, look at that. Luxembourgish. Yes, look at this. Welcome, Super Chat from Luxembourg. I've also been to Luxembourg. I've been round the Spa Formula One track. Oh, hang on a minute. That's Belgium. Yes, that's Belgium. Sorry about that. Luxembourg is another country, and I'm confused now. I know I've been there. I'm just trying to place it in my mind. Anyway, welcome to you. Sorry for the confusion. Oops. Here we go. Oh, I can't do it. It won't read it. It won't read it in Luxembourg. It won't do it. It won't read it out. It'll do it in German. Sorry about that.
Willkommen, Super Chat aus Luxemburg. Ich war auch in Luxemburg. Ich war auf der Spa Formel 1 Strecke. Oh, Moment mal. Das ist Belgien. Ja, das ist Belgien. Tut mir leid, dass Luxemburg ein anderes Land ist, und ich bin verwirrt. Jetzt weiß ich, dass ich es getan habe. Ich war dort und versuche es mir trotzdem in Erinnerung zu rufen. Willkommen. Entschuldigen Sie die Verwirrung.
What do I know about Tesla? I've done a Tesla review. I have done a full Tesla review. I'll give it to you now with the link in the chat. I hope it's German you speak. Apologize if it's not.
Ich habe eine vollständige Tesla-Rezension erstellt und stelle sie Ihnen jetzt über den Link im Chat zur Verfügung. Ich hoffe, dass Sie Deutsch sprechen. Wenn nicht, entschuldigen Sie sich bitte.
There you go. There is my Tesla analysis just there. There is the Tesla analysis. If I give you this here. Share. Copy. There you go. There you go. There is the Tesla link. All right. That's for you. Amazing. No, Tesla. Stellantis. We also cover Stellantis as well. But that's Tesla. Anyway, there you go. Good. Hiya, Sam. Tesla Jam is always good, mate. Always good. Lovely to have you here. How are you this afternoon? Well, we've got the Coinbase earnings coming up in a minute. Tesla to 125 next to 215. Quite possibly, we will be covering the Tesla earnings again. We cover all the Tesla earnings. Anyway, Vaz. Hiya, Vaz. How you doing? How are you, mate? Right. Got to do a quick review. This is for Martyn Hagen. Martyn Hagen. So here we go. We're going to do that now. 10 minutes. Okay. Here we go. Time for another stock review. We have limited info. Do that again. Time for another stock review. This time we are talking Zalando. Zalando, it's an online shopping platform. This is Zalando. We have the website for you, some breaking news. We're going to talk about that. The overall economy, of course. There's the overall economy, and we're looking at the stock and the numbers. We don't have all the information that we'd like normally, as it's not available completely on this stock, but we will look at it. Let's see if it's a good way to make money. Can you print money? Let's get straight to it. Let's review the numbers and let's see if we can make money on this stock. So first of all, Zalando. What is Zalando? Let's go into it now. Tap the like button if you like this video. Tap the down like if you don't. And click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you are here. So what is Zalando? Let me share with you some information on the chart. Let me also give you some information here on the website. Zalando opens applications for its SS25 Visionary Award at Copenhagen Fashion Week. This is just in latest news. It is a fashion online shopping platform. Zalando invites brands to apply for the Zalando Visionary Award SS25 at Copenhagen Fashion Week on the 12th of February. The Zalando Visionary Award recognizes the fashion designers of the future and enables brands to showcase their dedication to creativity, innovation, and positive social impact. This is the company, as you can see, an online shopping platform. They've got products for men, women, different things here. You can see the different brands they have here, Levi's, Michael Kors. You get the idea of what this company is about, okay? If we go into the men's section, you can see, there you go, different brands, different things. It's an online shopping platform. That's what this company is all about. But let's go right now into the numbers. There's not a huge amount of information available here for this company, but we are going to give you the best information that we can. All right, let's have a quick look. The intrinsic value, first of all, if you're buying this company, it's 41% undervalue right now at €33. And the best case scenario is it's 58%. Worst case scenario, it's 6% undervalue. Do we have any valuation warnings? No, we don't. It's all good. The intrinsic value is reliable. So that's good. Intrinsic value, there it is, looking very good. If you want to pause the screen, you can to take a closer look at that information. But there you go. The intrinsic value looks pretty accurate. Let's run a back test. Let me run it through our system. Here we go. Let's run the technology analyzing. There you go. Valuation over time, 10% negative on the profit. Transactions for average valuation, negative 23%. Correlation, 1%. Again, you can go into more detail. I will give you the my software access at the end of the video, so stick with me. The earnings call, this is what we picked up with our software. The company has reduced its inventory by 10% compared to last year, resulting in a cash inflow of €130 million and a neutral net working capital in Q3, despite a $170 million reduction in cash due to seasonal inventory changes. The company keeps a robust cash position of €1.9 million. The adjusted EBIT guidance remains constant at 300 to 350 million. The top line outlook for GMV growth in 2023 is altered to 2% or negative 2% to plus 1%. And revenue growth is anticipated to range from negative 3% to 0.5%. The company revised CapEx estimates for 2023 to 260 to 300 million, underscoring a commitment to financial discipline and growth investments. Okay, let's have a look at the financials. 10.3 billion revenue, which is down 0.7 on the most recent range, but we are expecting now things to go up through until 2026. That's good. Operating income is down 8% on the most recent range. So that's down, but we're expecting a big jump March to 2024, which is looking good. Net income has increased because they've reduced their inventory, up 33% and expected to increase dramatically. Free cash flow, we like that, is down 31%. We're spending more money recently. So as you can see, we are spending, free cash flow is down, beg your pardon, is down on the most recent range. Capital expenditure, we're starting to spend a little less, down 2%, moving up, that's good. Operating cash flow is down 23%. Okay, let's look at the balance sheet. Is it a good balance sheet? Well, 7.4 billion in assets, 5.1 billion in liabilities. How much debt do we hold? 1.6 billion, which equates to 31% of our liabilities is long-term debt. It's a bit steep. And our balance sheet, we do have, though, 2 billion in cash. So we can pay off our debts if we want to comfortably and still have $500 million on hand. That's good. So obviously they feel it's worth holding the debt. They make more money holding it. A lot of businesses do that. Gross margin, 38%. Operating income, 1%. 1% net margin, 5% FCF margin. Okay, we're making profits, but again, you would want to compare to the competition. Fundamental analysis, 49%. We're going to give that a score. 49%. Summer, I'll come on to you in a moment while I cover DraftKings. Just give me a moment. I'm making this video during a live event. I will be with you in a second. 49 profitability score. So it's okay. We're making some profit. Positive gross profit, positive free cash flow. Just amber on the other two metrics. We can live with that. Zal solvency score, 55%. So we're not going bankrupt at all. We've got a low DE, a negative net debt is good, short-term solvency is good, and long-term solvency is good. Balance sheet's okay. We can pay off our debts. Solvency's okay. It's not bright green. It's not Amazon or Apple, but it is on the winning side. Wall Street give it a 58% target up on the medium, on the average, and a 9% on the lowest side, with 136% on the highest range. Okay, so there's an opportunity here to make money. The competition is here. You can click these links. I will give you a link so you can use my software, the most advanced algorithmic software that we have here. Let's have a look now. Have we got any short interest? No short interest here. That's good. There's not much news around the stock, so I will probably rank for number one again for this stock, as we rank number one for most stocks now. We probably will. There's been no current news for 2 years, so nothing to share with you. All right, so there's a brief review. I couldn't do a full review on this one. There isn't enough information available, but would I buy this one? No, I wouldn't buy this one. I wouldn't. There's many other stocks I'd prefer rather than this, but the balance sheet is okay. The business is okay. The projections are okay. Is it a buy? Well, I wouldn't buy it, but I would certainly keep my eye on it. It could be a potential for you. Anyway, there you go. So if you would like to use the software that I've used, click above my head for that, or down below in the description, or over here I'll post all my reviews. I've reviewed many stocks, all of which now appear on the Alpha Spread website that I use, every single one above CNBC and Bloomberg. They love my reviews because they're open and honest. No one pays me to do these reviews. They are what they are. I give you the facts, take it or leave it. So there it is. Smash the like button if you like it, tap the down like if you don't. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do, and make sure you ring the bell. There you go. More information coming up. We'll keep an eye on this, and we'll revisit the stock on the next earnings. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, there we go. Now then, that's now done. That was done for Zal. That was done for Morten Hagen from Norway. Now, Coinbase, we've been watching this all day today. I said it would go down before earnings. That's exactly what it's done. It's gone all the way down. That massive gain this morning. No surprise there at all. Let me just close a couple of these screens a moment. And I think we might have some new people in the chat today that need to be upgraded as far as memberships are concerned. Now then, let me read the comments that I may have missed. Let's have a look. Let me read it. Vaz, good afternoon. Martin, are we doing FSR earnings next week? Well, Vaz, you're not a member of my channel. Members can request earnings as well as reviews. You can request me to work overtime in the evening or early morning and do the earnings. So Vaz, if you become a member of my channel, I can cover the earnings for you. At your request, I will do the earnings. There is the membership. 98% of our live viewers are members, so maybe you might consider it, and then I can certainly cover it for you at your request. The last time we can buy Fisker for cheap. I've got more reviews coming out on Fisker and Nikola as well, similar. And I can do the review if you want me to. STLA is Stellantis. STLA. I think I may have done a review. So let's have a little look. I think I may have reviewed Stellantis. So let me go. What you do is you go on above the video, look in the search box, type in my name, Martyn Lucas, and then you go the ticker symbol, which is ST. Oh, I see. You meant Stellantis. You didn't mean Tesla at all. STLA. Now I understand. Let's have a look. Have I done it? STLA. Stellantis. No, I haven't. I haven't reviewed Stellantis. Otherwise, it would be there. No, I haven't. I haven't reviewed that one. I could if you wanted me to. It's a member's perk if you want me to do a full review. Coca-Cola raised its dividends. I know it was one of your favorites. It is. Coca-Cola is a great company. Fantastic company. Absolutely right. Very much so. Thank you for letting me know. Vaz, cash flowing in from sales. There'll be more positive news. Vaz, if you become a member, I will make a review on it and I'll do the earnings. And we've ranked number one several times for Fisker. And we can put some good news out and we can get the message to the world. Never mind. Super chat. I think you meant, now I understand what you meant. It's because you typed Tesla rather than Stellantis. It wasn't my mistake. I was just reading what you wrote. But now I know what you mean. So there you go. I'm doing well. Thank you, mate. Yeah, Bill was laughing there this morning. We had XRP2 trying to pump stock and tell everybody it was going up when we knew it wasn't. We should know because we own more shares than anybody else in the world on our show. So he came in and said it was going to $9 today, and we said it wasn't, and we knew it wasn't because we are the majority shareholders. Anyway, there it is. Did exactly what we said it would. Sidhu is a good company, but this morning you were trying to pump it to $9. Well, that's not the case at all. That's not the case at all. Let's have a quick look at something a minute. Let me just check something. Content, live. No, that's fine. Don't know what that's all about. Right. I'm doing well, thank you, at Philo Savannah at Concord Lighting. We are currently making lights for an island that Dubai are making. We did a job for 2,066 lights, and then 925, and then 295. Wow, you have been busy, mate. Sidhu was so excited. What's so exciting about that? Went up on the news and back down. Well, it's a steady growth today. I think it's done well, but it's not what XRP was trying to say, which is why I put the video out to debunk it. XRP became quite famous today, actually. He probably doesn't even realize it, but XRP is quite famous today. Shall I show you what I mean? When people try and spread false information, I report it. I report it straight away. So look, here it is. Here is our Sidhu. News and lies, I called it. So this video was made in honor of XRP2. He came on this morning telling everybody it was going to $9. I said it wasn't. I made a video about it. It's called Sidhu News and Lies, and XRP82 is in it because of what he was claiming, which we said was ridiculous. But anyway, Sidhu has had a good run today. It's up nice today, which is good, but that's where it belongs, and it's accurate like that. It will go in March when the flight goes. Simple as that. Now XRP is saying Sidhu is rubbish. Okay. Will you be covering DraftKings, Summer and on person? Summer... Oh, some random person. That's what you are, aren't you? Sorry about that. I wasn't covering it, but again, if you become a member of my channel, I will cover it for you. I will do a full review on it. So yes, I can do if you want me to. Earnings are after hours and early mornings. I'm happy to do it. Be here just for you if you want that review, want that covered. Become a member and I'll do it for you. Ladislav Korech, good evening. Good to see Tesla still going up. Yes, Tesla's looking very, very nice today. It's really helping the S&P. Tesla hitting resistance at 199. Bought more Sidhu today. Congratulations. I think that's a very good buy at this price. I think it's going to go up next month. I think you've done a very, very good, wise decision there. Is Lozando available on Robinhood? Sam, Lozando. Do you mean Zalando? Do you mean Zalando? No, it's not. Hence why I couldn't show all the information. Morton, it was for Morton Hagen. I'm thinking about Sidhu too. Still don't know. Yeah, I strongly suggest you go and check out my review. I did a full review on Sidhu, so you might like to check it. How you do that is you go above the video, type Martyn Lucas and Sidhu. I've had lots of information on Sidhu directly from the company. We've had the biggest retail investor in the world on the show. There is today's video, of course, the latest one to do with XRP. Is it over? What else have we got? We also did take profit. I told everyone to take profit when it popped. Sidhu, the $15 issue. You remember all of that? What else have we got? I also did a latest news. There's the analysis. There is the analysis. So if you just type in Martyn Lucas SIDU, you will find all of these. All right, very, very good. All right, fantastic. That's how you do that. Okay. Let me, whoops, hang on a minute. Oh, yeah. Pressing all the buttons. Vaz has just become a member of the show. Welcome to Vaz. Was you asking for a request? FSR, it looks like we might have an FSR earnings and an FSR review in a minute. It looks like it. If Tesla beats 200, it'll be off again. Well, we've now got Elon Musk buying back in, so I think it's a lot of a bullish sign. He should be. I requested to cover it. Lance Strength. I requested to cover it. Lance, what do you mean? Not sure what you mean. Will you be doing a live show with Plug Power results? Plug Power. Let's have a look. Has it already been requested? I think I am. On February the 28th. Again, if you become a member, I definitely will. If you want to request it, I'll do it for you, plus more reviews. So I'm sure I will. I bet this was Ramen. Well, we've unblocked Raman now. I decided to give Raman the chance to come back. He's not in the chat. I don't know. Let's have a look. Became a member. Vaz, what country are you from? What country are you from? Let me know, and I'll add your flag to the countries. We've got 58 countries. Ladislav. Hello, Vaz. Everybody, Ladislav Korech. Vaz.
Vaz has become a member.
I am a member now. Yes, says Vaz. Where are you from? Lovely to have you here. Welcome, Vaz. There you go. Zach Zate from Israel has welcomed you in. There you go. Bill from Canada. Welcome, Ladislav Korech. You got a lot of welcomes in. That's very nice. So, Vaz de France. What country are you from, Vaz? And what is it you'd like to request now? I've been watching for months. Finally a member. Awesome. Well, what was it you wanted, Vaz? If I'm correct in saying, are we doing FSR earnings? Well, you are a member. Let me put it down. February the 26th. I will do the FSR earnings for you. Absolutely now. Here we go. FSR. Fisker. Now then, let me just double check it. February the 26th, after hours, I'm going to cover it. Yes, I'm going to do it for Vaz. Vaz, if you want me to do a review, a full analysis, I'm not taking, you can have a free review as a member. However, at the moment, the list is too long, so I'm not adding any free ones. If you do a super chat, though, I will do your review tomorrow. I've got a spot available tomorrow. I haven't got a chance to do it today. Tomorrow morning, I'm doing Nicola. But if you do a super chat, you'll jump to the top and I will do your review tomorrow. If not, eventually I will have the free ones available again, but I've just got too many on the list at the moment. Anyway, can you do a review of Stellantis? I can, but it's a members perk super chat. I'm very sorry. I have too many reviews for the members. I'd love to do it, but we have too many reviews for the members. It's free for the members, but unfortunately, if you want a review, you can become a member. It's only a couple of bucks, and if you super chat, I will do it tomorrow. First person who does a super chat will get their review tomorrow. I've just done a very brief one, only because full information wasn't available for Morten Hagen. But tomorrow I have a spot. I'm doing Nicola in the morning, and later on in the morning, I can do whichever one gets super chatted first by a member. Okay, whichever one is first. Okay, so same as me, brother from another. So is this what country is that? What country is that? I'm trying to remember. That is. What country is that? What flag is that, Ladislav? Is that Czech Republic? Is it the Czech Republic? I think it is. Lav. Anyway, I think it is. From Italy. Hey, Martin, how you doing? Nice to see you and good evening. Welcome to you, Ed Nevius. Good evening to you. A super chat of how much? Whatever you like. It's super chat, just so you know. It's free for a member. I just can't add any more to the list. I don't charge for the reviews. All you're doing by super chatting is jumping up the list. That's it. And I'll do it for you tomorrow morning. It's whatever you want to do. Some people give a little, some people give more. It's whatever it's worth to you. There's no price for it, but you need to be a member and you're not a member. So don't super chat me because you're not a member. I can only do it for members. Okay. If you want to be a member, I'll give you the link. There you go. All right. There it is. Hi, Paddy. Good evening, everyone. Stephen Lewandowski. We've not seen Stephen for a while, and we're all missing Stephen Lewandowski. Great shame. Does anyone know where Stephen Lewandowski is? I don't know where he is. We're all missing Stephen Lewandowski at the moment. Don't quite know. Anyway. Oh. Hang on a minute. I want a review now. How much for what you want to do it immediately? Well, you can have it immediately. You'll have to do it straight away though, because we've got the Coinbase earnings coming up shortly. So if you want a Stellantis review right now, the first thing you've got to do is become a member. There is the link to become a member. Okay? If you're on an iPhone, you need to select a browser and request a desktop version. Everything else will work fine. Okay? That's the first thing that you need to do. And if you want it done straight away, you've got to do a super chat. And I'm not going to say how much. I'll leave it to you. I'll leave it to you because I don't want to make, you feel uncomfortable. So, some people bid a lot. Some people bid a little bit. Whatever you like, I will. But you have to be quick because I'm going to be going over time. The show should be finishing in 20 minutes. Excuse me. And a review normally takes about 35, 40 minutes. So if you want to do it, I've got to do it. You've got to be quick. And then we're going to get ready for the Coinbase earnings. So if you want to do it, you've got to be quick. So I shall leave it to you what you want to bid for the super chat. Afternoon to you, Ed. How you doing? Vincent Vosberg, 1,000, 10,000. No. Love to see some people from Czech Republic have some interest in investing. Isn't that lovely? In our country, it's not regular. People invest all their money in real estate, like in China. Very dangerous. I agree. So, our Vaz, I think it's Vaz. He never Love you, thanks. Vaz, it's Czech Republic, isn't it? It's Czech Republic. So let me speak to you in Czech Republic. Here we go. Here we go. Welcome, Vaz. I believe you are from the Czech Republic. I hope I'm right. Welcome to the family. Thank you for becoming a member. And now I'm here for you every day, up to 10 hours a day. Join us live every Friday on my music channel. I'll put the link in and we can have a few beers together and share some music. Welcome to the family.
Vítej vás, věřím, že jsi z České republiky, doufám, že jsem správně vítán do rodiny, děkuji. Že jsi se stal členem a teď jsem tu pro tebe každý den až 10 hodin denně. Připojte se k nám živě každý pátek na mém hudebním kanálu, vložím odkaz a můžeme si dát spolu pár piv a sdílet nějakou hudbu na uvítanou do rodiny.
Okay. 20 minutes ago, we got Coinbase earnings. Fisker, we've been asked to do the earnings for Fisker, and there might be a review coming from Vaz for Fisker, if he does a super chat, that is. Coinbase, we've got the review. We've got the earnings after hours. Polygon still going up. Bitcoin still going up. Wrap Technologies is up again today. Rio Tinto is up. FFIE is up. 10 cents a share now. Funware is 30 cents a share. Rumble up 5.6%. Talking of Rumble, I've got, is it Ranolo? I think it is. We got a member on Rumble, and if he's here, he's not here at the moment. I have to upgrade him, and he wants to be our very first Rumble guest to order a review. Because you can be a member on Rumble too. Very exciting. Anyway. Vaz is from the Czech Republic. Wonderful. There we go. Now then. We are running out of time. It's 20 to 3. We've got the Coinbase earnings. Virgin Galactic is down today. Palantir moving up. Gold is up. S&P is up. I'm waiting for our friend this morning to come in because he was saying about you can't earn $300 a day on the S&P. Well, you certainly can, because I've done it nearly every day for a month. And it's happened again today. I'll share with you if you are here. I purchased PLBY as a laugh with my mates. I'm up 40% and now I want to see a review. Shannon Miller. Fantastic. Congratulations to you. Vaz. Here we go. We've got a super chat. So this will be our review now. This will be our review in the morning after Nicola. All right, what have we got? Vaz said, let's make it worth it. Can we have FSR review anytime before the earnings, please? I will shut up now. Vaz, fantastic. Right, Vaz, you will get your review in the morning. There you go. That's the morning slot gone now. There you go. Let me just write that down. Let me just write that down. In fact, that'll be the first review in the morning because it's ahead of the other super chat. So we're going to have FSR, which is Fisker, of course. That's in the morning. Fisker, and it's for Vaz. Vaz wants this one. He did a $10 super chat. So if you want to go ahead of Vaz, you've got to go more than $10. All right, that's the way it works. So thank you very much, Vaz. If everybody would tap the like for Vaz, very exciting. That's from the Czech Republic. That's in the morning for FSR. Here it comes.
Let's make it worth. Can we have FSR review anytime before the earnings, please? And I will shut up now. Embarrassed smiley face. Embarrassed smiley face.
I will shut up now. That's quite funny. You don't have to shut up, mate. That's brilliant. Let's have a look. We are going to 207, says Ladislav Koresh. That is on Tesla. Let's have a little look. Oh, it's going up again. Coinbase. Hello, Caden Youngquist. Hey, Caden Youngquist, how are you? Hey, Caden, since you were last here, can you believe the rate of growth of my channel? We are on trajectory within a few years to be at 10 million subscribers, more than Meet Kevin and Graham Stepan combined. We are doubling our rate of growth every month. Look at this, 16,197. It's doubling the rate of growth every single month. It's just incredible. I cannot believe it. I'm so excited. And 98% of our live viewers are members. Mr. Beast has got about 8%. It's the highest engagement channel of any channel on YouTube. Our rate of growth is doubling every month. It's the greatest honor. We go out now in 58 countries, 14 languages. I mean, it is pretty crazy. I have got the best job in the world. I am very appreciative of it all. I cannot believe it. Anyway, Coinbase. Yes, Coinbase. We are covering Coinbase. It's in the after hours. There is Coinbase. We'll be doing that very shortly. Eric B, I believe your reviews are good and thorough. Keep it up, Martyn. Thank you, Eric B. I appreciate it. I can't thank you enough, Eric. Thank you for your continued support as a member, being part of the Lucasades. We've had two CEOs on the show now. More to come, many more to come. I'm hoping that Elon Musk, Richard Branson will be on the show. I know they will eventually. It's all part of the journey. All is well, Ed Nevius. MSK, hi. How many months until Hasbro review? Hasbro. Let's. How many months? Oh my God. Hasbro, Jason Fallon, you're halfway down the list of the free list. You can be done tomorrow if you do a super chat, but it's a free service. Just have patience. I can't get through it fast enough. I'm doing 3 or 4 reviews a day. I'm working 12-hour days at the moment and weekends to try and catch up. So Jason Fallon, I'm sorry that I can't get to it any quicker. It's just me on my own, right? Anyway, Vaz, welcome from Italy, mate. Alex, lovely. Vincent Vosberg. Vincent. Do you know what? Just for our Italian friends have been here since day one. Our Italian friends, Alex, you're not a member anymore. What happened there? Alex April, you're not a member anymore, Alex. What's happened to Alex? Let me put a little message in here in Italian to Vaz. Here we go. Italian. Italian. This is to Vaz, an Italian message all the way from Pisa, from Alex April. He is welcoming you to the family.
Questo è per Vaz un messaggio italiano direttamente da Pisa da Alex April che ti dà il benvenuto in famiglia.
Thank you, Caden. It's been a heck of a journey, mate, and we're just getting going. Jeffrey Diamond, hi, good afternoon, Jeffrey. How are you? Once you get momentum, it won't stop. That's exactly how my business revenue is going. Fantastic, Caden. Congratulations to you, Ladislav. Hang on a minute. It's in. I think it's in Czech Republic. Here we go.
I've probably tried more channels, but this fighter seems the best. I made solid profits here.
Vás zkoušel jsem víc kanálů, ale tenhle borec mi přijde nejlepší, udělal jsem tady solidní zisky.
MSK, you're saying, I'm going to have to be honest with you, $300 times 260 working days is 78,000. That's a 78% return on a 100 grand investment in 1 year. Not happening on the S&P alone. I understand what you're saying, MSK, but since I transferred to the S&P, that is exactly what has happened. That is exactly what has happened. Now, I'm not expecting it. I'm not expecting it to go on forever. But that is what it's been doing for a month. Again, I will share with you on the screen. This is my S&P today. It is up today. Where is it? Where's my today? Look, $236 today in this account, and in my Roth, 236, 123. $350. So I've beaten it again today. So don't say it's not happening when it is happening, and I'm sharing with you, look, today's return, there it is. It's like when what's his name was here? What was his name? Drillian used to say, what's the point of owning Coca-Cola? You only earn a small dividend. Well, Warren Buffett doesn't complain. It's about how many you own. And what is important is I'm not selling, I'm reinvesting the dividends manually. I'm holding cash and buying the dips so I can exaggerate and I can amplify those gains, which is exactly what I did the other day. I earned the 5%. 5.25 for a month, bought the dip when it went down 2%. It's gone up nearly 4% since then. So you can, if you have enough. Definitely. And now I'm earning more and more money on YouTube. I'm investing more and more money and I'm staying invested. So you can do it. So even though you're saying, I can't do it, I am doing it and have been doing it for a month. There's no doubt. I've just shown it you, and it happens every day. Now, of course, this isn't going to continue. Obviously, you're absolutely right, but it's happening at the moment. But the point is, as I earn more money, I'll be able to buy more. So it will, because we're doubling every month. So it's the biggest investment you make is on yourself. So there's no question about it. We're going to get to 100,000 within a year, and we're going to be at $1 million within 12 years. Probably a lot less than that. Anyway. Super chat doesn't work. What doesn't work? Everything works. You're saying it doesn't work. The membership does work. What you need to do, like it says in the comments, to become a member, you click on that link. If you're on an iPhone, you need to select a browser, any browser, and then request a desktop server. It does work. That's why everyone's a member. So anyway, anyway. Or are you referring to the S&P? Well, I've just shown you it does work. I asked months ago, just saying, Jason Fallon, I understand your review is on the list, and it's on the list. It's never changed position. It's on the list. What's happened is people have super chatted and jumped the queue. Anyone can do that, and I'm sorry, and I know it's frustrating. You are a gold member. You are one of the best members, one of the highest members. But I can't put anyone above anyone else. I don't know what to do, Jason. I can't work any faster or work any harder. I would love to do it for you straight away. But if someone has given me a super chat for me to do it, I've got to do it. And I do it straight away. I don't, there's nothing else I can do. I would love to do more for you because you are without doubt one of our best members, but I have to be fair to everyone. I only wish I could do even more. That's why last week I took 2 days off and did like 6 or 7 reviews for 2 days in a row to get down all the reviews. So I'm doing my best. I'm sorry it's taking so long. You're right, my friend. You've been here since the very first day. I forgot to renew my subscription. Please forgive me. Not at all. Not at all, Alex. Not at all. Please. Thank you. Ayo, you're too busy, my dear. Prefer the S&P over other stocks. Much more security. Well, that's not why I own the S&P. I own the S&P in 100%. I've owned every stock. I've traded. I've scalp traded. I did it because the show has grown. The show has grown, and now I'm interviewing CEOs, and I want the show to be impartial for the reviews, open, honest, as it's always been, but to be seen to be that way. And because I want to interview all the CEOs, I don't want to be in their stocks. I don't want to be on YouTube and on Rumble pumping and dumping stocks. I never have, and I never will. But to be, so people understand that, that's why I have got out of all the other stocks, even at my own expense. Some of the stocks I sold for a loss. Some I made profit on. Some I sold for a loss. I got out of the whole thing. I can even share with you the moment I did it. Look, here's the moment I did it. So many of my stocks were sold for losses. Look, see that big drop? Boom. See that? That was the moment I did it. That big drop there was the moment I did it. And this has been the S&P ever since. See that? And the reason why I did that, I lost thousands of dollars on that trade, is because after having a conversation with many people, it was decided that this channel will go to 10 million subscribers if you are a TV channel and you are completely impartial and you're interviewing and you're CEOs and you're doing reviews and you're not in the individual stocks. So I can report on it and sometimes wish I was, but I did that out of my own cost. Look at that. That cost me $48,000. Look, that cost me $6,000. That cost me $6,000. I did that for the benefit of the show because I believe 100% in the show is the priority and you, my audience, is the priority. So that's why I did that. Watching this morning was a great explanation of how Martyn is doing investments. So go rewatch it. Thank you, Vincent. MSK, maybe 300 per market day. Well, of course, every day I'm here. Every day I'm here. So far for a month. I mean, you can see it. Look, I mean, you only have to look. Look at that. That is it. That is there. Look, 42,000. I mean, it's quite clear. Anyway, Hi, Martin. I was on the waiting list for Robinhood UK, but not heard anything in ages. Robinhood, if I just use your referral link, will that give me a free share? No, not for the UK. They're not giving free shares for the UK. I don't know why you've not got accepted. I've got accepted 3 times on 3 different emails. So I don't know why you haven't. There's no reason why you shouldn't have done. I would say to you, it's probably imminent though. You're probably going to get it imminently, but I don't know why. No, I'm only on my mobile today. I'll sort it out tomorrow. No, it works on a mobile, but you have to listen to what I'm saying, right? Here's the link. You have to request a browser. You cannot use the app on your iPhone. You use a browser. Safari, Google, Firefox, whatever you like. And then at the bottom of the browser, you go request desktop version. The reason for that is because iPhone tried to take a commission out of YouTube and they don't like it. And that's why it's like that. Eventually, it's coming to iPhone, but they're negotiating with Apple at the moment. That's why I say if you're on a mobile, you need to go to the desktop version of the browser. Then it does work. Anyway, Eric and MSK, he gave a great rundown this morning. It's obvious that he's looking for dips and also investing from his channel. Absolutely. 100% of my money goes in and I buy the dips. Anyway, Martyn Lucas Investor, I only say it because it makes you seem disingenuous to real investors and that will impact the credibility of the channel. Every real investor knows not to trust the good days. No, I understand the stocks are up right now, and of course it won't be the same going forward every day. You're right. But what will happen is, and as I've said repeatedly, I will always be in all of my money before the next ex-dividend date to earn the dividend from the S&P. So I was always going to get back in regardless of whether it was up or down, but I held for a dip and got it. Now, when I get paid on the 21st of the month, I will have my money coming in. I will hold the cash, earning 5.25%, and I will wait for a dip. Now, if there isn't a dip and it keeps on going, at some point between now and the middle of March, I will deploy that cash because I want to be in and gain the dividends, regardless of the price. If it goes down, great. But remember, I'm buying the index, not the price. So let's read your comment out again. I only say it because it makes you seem disingenuous to real investors. Well, I am a real investor. So what do you mean disingenuous to I'm a real investor. I invest my entire life to this program, my audience, and investing. So no one could be more of an investor than me. And I am in the true sense of the word an investor because I never short stocks, never do options. I simply buy the companies, the index, and hold it. And that it will impact the credibility of the channel. It won't affect the credibility because I share everything with everyone all the time and answer everyone's questions. And every real investor, which I am, knows not to trust the good days. I don't trust the good days or the bad days. So I'll go further than that. But I do trust myself and my investment strategy over the long term. Tesla, over $200. We're about to ring the bell. Here we go. Look at that. Tesla. For me, the largest part is the S&P and then the few individual shares. That's very, very wise. How many gold members? I think it's... I'll tell you now, actually. Give me a second and I'll tell you exactly. I will get it up on the screen. Here we go. 5, 4... 3, 2, 1. The bell has now gone. We're in the after hours. We'll be getting the Coinbase review the earnings very shortly. You asked how many gold members do I have? Right. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I'll tell you how many I've got. I will share it on the screen. See your members. Filter by current level. Gold. There you go. Here is my gold members. There you go. These are my top members. My top members are Yardstick, Jose Quintana, Thomas Calise, Jason Fallon, and KK2. KK2 never watches the show. He's been a member for 2 years. He just says, I want to support what you're doing. He comes in from time to time, but he's been a gold member for 2 years. Jason Fallon for 16 months, one of our very top members. Thomas Calise, 7 months. Jose Quintana, 5 months. And Yardstick, 1 month. There are our gold members. There you go. These are our top members to the show. They get extra benefits like discounts to the show. Discounts to the shop. They can have one-on-one calls with me, private one-on-one calls. There's many things that the gold members get, but there you go. You asked and I told you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Coinbase is going up in the after hours. The portfolio is moving again. Sidhu showing some strength today. It's not $9, but lots of larger buy orders went through. Sidhu, yes, thank you very much indeed. Let's have a look at that. Sidhu, for our biggest investor, our biggest retail investor in the world on Sidhu is in the chat with us now. There is Sidhu, looking very good. Have you done a SoFi review? Not for a long time. I can do one if you wish to book one in. You need to be a member though if you want a review. Let's have a look. Don't see. Oh yeah, there you are. Hi Niels, that's a new one. I buy the index, not the price. Ha ha. I buy the index. I'm buying the companies within the index. That's what I'm buying. I'm buying the strength of the companies within the index. I'm buying the American economy. That's what I'm buying. Sidhu is going up. Yes, it is. I'm bronze, Vincent Vosberg. You are. Some interesting end of day action on Sidhu. Some interesting stuff coming out now. Up 15% today thanks to Luna and DWAC. Jeffrey Diamond. Congratulations. I wish it is 9. I think Coinbase will be good. Jeffrey Diamond. Deum. I have the iPhone 13 mini and I don't have to use desktop for anything. Maybe things have moved forward. I've got the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Or was it iPhone 15? No, iPhone 14. It's maybe they fixed it. Maybe they've now got it, but I don't think so. Anyway, I don't think so. Anyway, if someone can tell me, can you become a member on an iPhone? Tell me. But I have been told by YouTube you can't. If that has now changed, please, somebody let me know, and I would love to know. I really would love to know if that is the case. Anyway, people need to understand investing versus trading and that there is more than one way to rock, indeed. XRP82, Martini Racer. I bet you still don't know why Sidhu is going up today. Just XRP, please be respectful. You're talking to the largest retail investor in the world on Sidhu. Right? All right? He owns 8.1% of the company, and you're saying, I bet he hasn't got a clue what he's talking about. Well, you know, reviews, ha ha. Jason, please, what do you mean? I hope I've not upset you. Jason, please explain what you mean, because Jason's one of my top viewers. Anyway, XR82, please enlighten us. Oh my gosh, you could learn something. You Isn't it silly? You've got the opportunity to learn stuff and you'd rather be a bit of a clown. I don't understand that. I've never understood that. You learn from listening, not from talking. I would rather listen, and I do. Do you realize, even though I'm talking all the time, I have no choice because the show would go silent, right? I am learning from listening to you. It's all about listening. Even though I'm talking all the time, because there's no other way of doing it, you learn from listening, not from talking. And I am learning, and I'm reading every single person's comment. I'm learning about human sentiment of greed. I'm learning about manipulation, people making up stories. And I'm learning everything. I learn everything about the stock market from you. And XRP, you could be learning from great investors here, but you choose not to. So I'm pretty confident that Martyn Racer, who has a wonderful, very successful life, more money than you'll ever see, yacht, Ferrari, houses around the world, owns 8.1% of a rocket company. You could learn from someone like that, or you could choose that you know better. So I'm pretty sure that Martyn Racer will continue to do well, and you probably won't do as well. That's all I'm going to say on that. EPS, Trade Desk, expected revenue, earnings, Niels, expect revenue. Martyn has also has good taste in cars. I don't know how much money anyone has. Mini, how do you see the screen? XRP is really ramming. We learn certainly more from you, Martyn. Trust me. No, I learn from you. Absolutely not. If you learn anything from me, it's come from you. The success of the channel is you. I'm just here to bring everyone together. All I am is the conductor. That's all I am, is the conductor. The success has come, all of it has come from you. No two ways. Right, let's have a look. Coinbase. We haven't got the numbers yet, as I can see. Now then, the earnings starts very, very shortly. So we've got to end this stream and go into the Coinbase earnings. So in the morning, we have 2 reviews to do. We have Fisker. Jason Fallon, can you please come back to me? I really want to know if you're okay. Because Jason's one of my best supporters of the show. And I'm frustrated that he's waited so long for his review, but I don't know what else to do. Anyway. It's now 8% upwards, and that's actually still far too little. If there was anything, I certainly wouldn't have gone up 8%. Okay. All right. No, it's not, believe me. Well, I appreciate that. It's very kind of you. But anyway, here we go. Where are we today? So look at the S&P. So again, Coinbase is crashing now. Coinbase is going down. The S&P is going up. So we got one side of it going up and one side of it going down. Let's have a look. I don't see the numbers yet, but Coinbase is crashing now. It's down 6%. This is exactly as we predicted. Exactly what we said. If you watched my review of Coinbase, I said that Coinbase will go down on the earnings. If you watched my review, I said exactly this. It got overbought. Everyone's too excited. Look, now it's gone back up again. I do believe that Bitcoin and all of the crypto will come down before it goes up. Now it's going up, look. I stand by what I say. It should come down, though. What will happen is, obviously, Coinbase has made more money because of Bitcoin and crypto's gone up. However, people will take profit and then buy it back because I know that Bitcoin's going back down again. So 1 minute it's up, 1 minute it's down. I believe overall they'll do well on earnings at first, but then it'll all sell off because there's much, much more to go down before it goes up. Did I jinx Coinbase? Yeah, Niels, it's your fault. Absolutely your fault, 100%. Right, here's my portfolio. Up again today, so we're in the green. Portfolio, and we're at 68,304. Fantastic. Looking really, really good. Jay Nuts just subscribed to the channel. All right. Loud work. I waited a long time too, Martin, and I was considering cancelling. LOL. But thanks for recent efforts to get all the reviews in. That's it. I can't do any more. I mean, I'm working more hours now than I've ever done. I'm doing like 12-hour days, and I work the weekends as well to get the reviews done. I don't know how else to do it. I can't do any more. Physically, I don't think anyone could work any harder. It's just not possible. Thank you, Loud Work. Appreciate you very much. You got a gold badge now, a yellow badge now. XRP. What has Martyn ever done to you, Noodles? Let it go, Muppet. MSK. Ignore him. If he's going to continue to be rude, we'll just block him anyway. We don't need people to be rude. We want positive energy here. Coinbase earnings revenue. Here we go. 954 million, beating expectations of 818. So we've beaten expectations. We expect it to make money, but it will sell off. It has to sell off. In my opinion. Right, let's have a look. Is it showing on Robinhood yet? No, it's not showing on Robinhood yet, but we've got the information from Niels. Niels is not a member, so we can't verify the information. Niels can't send it in. He can't send Discord links in. So we don't know if that information is correct. So I don't want to have everyone assuming that information is correct. We cannot verify that information. I don't know of any new. I'm not an insider, just a passive investor. That's right. Vincent Vosberg, Q4 earnings beats 104, estimate 1.01. Right, now it's going up. Coinbase is going up. Would you buy it now? Let me share with you the value of Coinbase. I just did a review on it. You absolutely want to watch the review. Otherwise, look, overvalued by 72%. It's got to sell at this level. Look, best case scenario, 35, 72%, or 83%. Look, it's massively overvalued. Massively overvalued. 127 billion on assets, 121 million on liabilities, and out of that, 3.1 billion is debt. So the balance sheet is fine. It's 35. It's not a great solvency score though. We're overbought, folks. If you don't believe me, there's the numbers right there. Yeah. I think that's a very generous, very respectful comment Martini Racers made just there. He said, XRP82 may know something. He may be the smartest man in the world. He may know everything there is about Sidda Space. However, if he does, he hasn't shared a damn thing. He's not a member. He's probably a troll. He's probably a bot. He can't afford a $2 membership, but yet he knows all about Sidda Space. He hasn't shared any information, hasn't shared any links. So, with all due respect, let's please move on now from XRP82. I can't share my information. You'll probably hear that tomorrow, and please apologize tomorrow. Otherwise, I will never give information more. All right. This is definitely ramen. This is definitely ramen. So this is what the guy was saying yesterday. I'm here to help everybody. I know more than everybody else. Can you see his language? It's the same. It's the same language as we got from Ramen yesterday. So please, let's move on from this guy. And if he says one thing that's out of order, we'll just block him as well. Martyn Eraser is more humble than I am. Yes, he's very respectful. He's very respectful. Don't know why he's putting up with it, quite honestly. I wouldn't put up with it. Why is Martyn Eraser so protected? What was XRP? What has XRP done wrong? Niels, you've not heard all his comments. You've not been here all the time. He keeps trying to spread false information. And we're not having it. He told us Sidda Space would go up to $9 today because he knows some secret information, but he can't tell anybody about it. And I am absolutely confident it's ramen. Remember, I can see more information on members. That's all I'm going to say on that. Dear, oh dear. Apple. Flipping heck. Look at Apple tonight in the after hours. Apple. Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway sells Apple stock and buys Chevron, and the stock has gone up. Does anyone understand this? Nobody does, right? Warren Buffett sells Apple. He said he'd never sell Apple, and the stock goes up. Obviously. Have we had any good news today for Tesla? Nice rise today, Tesla. Other than Elon Musk yesterday, was you here yesterday? Elon Musk now owns 20% of Tesla, so he's increased his position. That was yesterday. And that's just carried on going. Oh, okay, yeah, I didn't know that. Apologies. Not at all. Yes, he tried to tell everybody that the stock was going to $9 today. He knew why. And all the rest of us, we don't know what we're talking about. So there you go. All right. Martini Racer is such a gentleman. He owns 8.1% of the company. And he's going, well, maybe he does know something. But he's not sharing it. He can't be nicer. I ain't going to be nice to him. I'm not interested. All right. Okay, Amazon. Apple, look at that. Oh, Neil Carver. Neil Carver has just sent me a huge gift on Discord. No, not Discord. Oh, hang on. I missed it. TikTok. Let's see if he does it again. Look at this. This has just happened. On... Look, let me put it on the screen. This is TikTok right now. Look, Neil Carver, look at this. Watch this. Let's see if it happens again. Neil Carver is watching me on TikTok, and he just gave this massive, great swan. I don't even know what it is. Let's see if it happens again. Sent love. Let me see if it happens again. But I glanced to my right because the whole of my screen lit up. It was like, what the hell's that? And it was this big swan coming out of the screen. Let's see if it happens again. I'm sorry I missed it. I'm really sorry I missed it. Well, I didn't exactly miss it, but you get the idea. Let me just close that a minute. That's just me being there we go. Right. I'll just keep it there just for a second. And see if it happens again. So you all know what I'm talking about. I've no idea what it is. I will find out after the show. And if you are one of my... if you see the little star, become a Luca badge owner, the little star up here, and then I can message you back. I can only message, and you can only message me if you're one of my subscribers. See the little star, the Luca badge? I've got 4. Just there, look. If you click that, you can message me, and I can message you back. And then I can make videos for you on TikTok as well. Anyway... I think we'll have to move on from that now. I don't think it's going to happen again. I don't know what it was. I'll find out later. Let's have a look. XRP, I thought you were also a solar flight. Glad I held my Coinbase trades. Top tip, trust your own instincts and learn from your own shortcomings. Let's have a little look. Oh, Coinbase. Look at Coinbase go tonight. There we go. Look at Coinbase. It's pumping now. It's got to sell off. This is crazy. Look at the value of Coinbase. Look, let me refresh the screen. 83%. Look, overvaluation. Look at this. Overvaluation. Best case scenario 35, 72. Overvaluation. It's it's changing now. The numbers are changing as we're speaking. It was 83. It's now 72. It's being reflected by the earnings. So that's being updated by the earnings. So it's improving as we're watching. Let me go back to Coinbase a second. Right, we need to go over to the earnings. That Apple is a trap, and I don't trust Warren Buffett. Yeah, I think it's unbelievable that Apple has been sold, and yet we have gone up tonight. Look at that pump on Apple. That's crazy. Martini, hang on, I'm not going to read that out. Anyway, Trade Desk, 20% up on earnings. You still didn't verify the earnings. Let me go back to Coinbase. Coinbase. Refresh. No, it's still not showing. I haven't got that information yet. Sorry, mate. Done the gift on TikTok rather than YouTube. Thank you ever so much, Neil Carver. Can you tell me what it is? Until the end of the show, I don't know what it is. It's very, very kind of you, but I don't know what it is until the end. But Neil, if you become a member, the subscriber, I'll message you back, and I'm sure it'll be a thank you. So I don't know what it is until the end of the show. Anyway, I have to end the stream because we have to go over now to the Coinbase earnings. Okay, so let me go over now to the Coinbase earnings. Neil Carver, whatever that was, thank you so much. Anyway, that was cool. I missed it. I better make sure I have that screen up from now on. I don't quite know how I can show another screen. Anyway, so here we go. Let's go over now to the earnings. So what we got to do is set this screen, this show, to go directly to the Coinbase earnings. There we go. Now I'm going to give everybody the link, right, to the event so you don't miss it. Tomorrow morning we're back with the opening bell. Blimey, look at that. 10% today. Look at that. Right, awesome. Right, here's the Coinbase. Here is the Coinbase upcoming live streams. Okay, so here we go. Here is where we're going right now. It'll take me a few minutes to go from this show to the Coinbase earnings. Look at all the new members lining up. Look at that. Look at that. That's amazing. Right, so let me give everyone the link to it. Here is the Coinbase earnings. We're going to go there now. We haven't got time to do day trader of the day. Shannon Miller. Oh, you've just caught me. So that's good. Let me just write that down. This is why our Jason Fallon can't get his review done. Maybe I should I change reviews and make it for gold members can have their reviews done free? Maybe that's a perk I should put in. Maybe I should do that. Gold members should get their reviews done. Maybe I should do that straight away. Maybe I should do that. Jason Fallon messaged me. So let me write this down quickly. PLBY. Give me the name of the business. I need the name of the business as well, just to double check it. That's Shannon Miller. Okay, that's on the list now. I need to know the name of the business as well, though, just to be doubly sure. Thank you so much indeed. Niels, remember, Big Buffett sold 10 billion and still owns 195 billion. Yeah, exactly. The last couple of days have been blooming amazing, heading back to all-time profit portfolio highs. My new all-time high for me today as well. Niels, great. Congratulations. I love the earnings day. I love the earnings day with Martyn Lucas. 100% better than just watching the program alone. Absolutely. Right. Coinbase. Here is the earnings. Let me give everyone the link. There it is. Oh, Playboy. Oh, this is going to be great. Seriously. Playboy. Can you imagine? Oh, this is going to be great. It's going to be it's going to be a very, very sexy review. That's all I'm saying. All right, here we go. Let me give everyone the link. We've got to go then. Here we go. Here's the earnings.
Need a review of PLBY at your convenience.
Playboy. That's absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Right, we're going over now to the... Oh, I can't wait for that. I can't wait for that. It's going to be sexy, isn't it? We're going to have dancing girls. Love it. Right, okay, let's go to the Coinbase earnings. I'll see you right there in a couple of moments' time. Come and join me for the Coinbase earnings. I will be there in just a few minutes' time. Don't go away. See you back in a second. Until then, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto. Yeah, Mike, MSK, Shannon Miller, Playboy. It's going to be the best review I've ever done. It's the first time I'll be able to put a sexy picture, a sexy girl on a picture, on a thumbnail. And it won't be clickbait. It'll be real. Fantastic. Thank you, Shannon Miller. It's going to be my best ever review. I can't wait.
Playboy.
Playboy. Right. See you back in a minute for the earnings for Coinbase. Buckle up. It's going to be exciting. See you in a few minutes. Prepare for a big drop, though. I expect people to sell off, though. You ready? See you back in a minute. Bye-bye.